do have to say generally about the discussion here, and many people have been quoting on the other side, going back to statements in over 10 years ago by different politicians in 2013, and there was no discussion on this during the last general election. I just ask, I don't know what planet you've been living on. The world has changed since the last general election. Russia illegally invaded Ukraine. I have never had a war in Europe in my lifetime. Nobody in this building has ever seen a war on the continent in Europe in our lifetime. None of us in this building have ever seen it. We never saw it before the last general election. It has happened since, by Putin's illegal invasion of Ukraine. Whether we like it or not, it has changed the international security situation in Europe, of which we are a part. That has changed fundamentally since the last general election. And for people to say what people said on previous occasions, we were privileged since the last World War to be here in Europe, in a peaceful nation that had no military assaults on other countries in the European Union. And Putin did it. And if people don't respond to the change in circumstances, we would be irresponsible in our actions in not taking any action. And I have listened to Putin's puppets over there today. And this is an issue of Putin's puppets versus the people of Ireland. And that's what you are. You're puppets for Putin. And you're on the wrong side of history.
You got your opportunity. Sit down.
I have the floor.
Sit down now.
I have the floor.
Sit down.
I have the floor.
Minister, please. Deputy, sit down. You had your opportunity, and you're going to get 10 minutes again. And if you sit down now, thank you. Sit down. No.
You have an opportunity. You have the wrap-up speech. Well, all I can say, I did not direct my comment at any individual, and that's but if the hat fits, you should wear it.
Deputy,
you obviously feel the hat fits.
Deputy, please sit. No, Deputy, sit down now. Deputy Smith and Deputy Murphy, please sit down. You have 10 minutes now, and if you want, I'll call this debate off. No, please. No, it's not a point of order. Sit down, it's not a point of order. Deputy, will you tone down your... Deputy, sit down. Sit down, Deputy. Will you have respect for the chair? Respect for the chair. Will you have respect for the chair? Respect for the... Now, you made enough allegations yourself earlier, and I'll let you go. Please sit down. Please sit down. Sit. I will adjourn I will adjourn now if you don't stop. No.
Please adjourn and check the rules. 1417. Members may not say that another member is taking orders or instructions from outside interest or is representing or speaking for such interest. That's what Putin's puppets means. It's very, very clear. And
right. Well, I adjourned it for 5 minutes. I adjourned it for 5 minutes. Thank you.
And you're telling the people...